Before understanding about what is the alternative to legal notice, it is very much necessary to understand what is Legal Services Authority Act passed in 1987 by Parliament. The name itself suggests Legal Services Authority. That is an authority which provides legal services. The main objective of Legal Services Authority Act is that to provide legal services to weaker sections of the society on the ground that justice must not be denied on the ground of being poor or any other disability. Because today litigation is an expensive affair. So if a poor man cannot come to court to seek justice, then what happens? He should not be given an idea that poor will not get justice. Therefore, Parliament created this Legal Services Authority Act. One of the main objectives of Legal Services Authority Act is to provide free legal services. That is, if you could not afford an advocate, Legal Services Authority will appoint an advocate for you, will give the services of an advocate for you. And one of the division of Legal Services Authority is the establishment of Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat means it's a court where disputes are settled. So today, to understand about Lok Adalat is very much relevant for us. Now, what type of cases come in Lok Adalat? There are two types of cases that come to Lok Adalat. The one is post-litigation case and the other is pre-litigation case. So pre-litigation case is very much relevant to today's topic. I will come to that within 2 minutes. Now what exactly Lok Adalat does is to settle the cases. Now every case, there are only two types of cases in India, that is civil case and a criminal case. And every civil case and every criminal case can be settled in Lok Adalat. Except non-compoundable cases. Non-compoundable cases means cases which cannot be compromised. Some criminal cases like murder, rape, etc. cannot be compromised. They are non-compoundable. And what are compoundable? Cheating case is a compromise case. At the instance of both the parties, if both the parties want to settle the case, they inform the court and court sends the file to the Lok Adalat. Now it is a post-litigation case coming for settlement before the Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat will give an award, which is a form of a decree. In the civil court it is called decree. In Lok Adalat it is called award. That award is executable. You can execute that award in the similar form of like a decree. That is, you can go and attach the properties of the defaulter. So now this is the post-litigation settlement. Now the best alternative to legal notice is pre-litigation settlement. Now how pre-litigation settlement is done? By filing a pre-litigation case before the Legal Services Authority or Lok Adalat. For better understanding, I will call it as Lok Adalat. This you can understand what is a pre-litigation settlement by an illustration. Imagine B gave a loan to A. Here B is a bank. Better we will understand it as a bank. Gave a loan to A of around 1 lakh. A defaulted. Now there are two opportunities before B. One is give a legal notice, file a case in the civil court. The other opportunity is approach the Legal Services Authority, file a pre-litigation case, giving a proposal to the defaulter to pay 75,000 within so and so date. That proposal itself is a pre-litigation case. B or the bank here in our illustration will approach the Legal Services Authority with an application for settlement, praying the Legal Services Authority to settle the matter. These are the settlement terms. Then the Legal Services Authority will send the notice to the defaulter, here A, that the bank came forward for settlement. Bank is interested to settle the matter, which is 1 lakh plus interest for 75,000. If you are interested to settle the matter, come on so and so date and settle the matter. This will be the contents of the notice sent by Legal Services Authority to the defaulter. If the defaulter responds, well, it's fine. The case is closed. Both parties are happy. Then if the case is not closed, then send legal notice. The advantages of legal notice I have made another video. Kindly go through that video. So this is the best alternative to the legal notice. So before sending a legal notice and spending couple of thousands of rupees, here Lok Adalat offer free services. You have to remember this. There is no expenses to send the notice from the Legal Services Authority to the defaulter. There is no fee for filing a pre-litigation case. It's free of cost, provided by the government. The very objective is to settle the cases. The very objective is to give peace of mind to people. So whenever you are facing any problem, there are two options. If the defaulter is very stubborn and adamant, go for legal notice, go for a case. But if the defaulter wants for settlement, then the best way is to approach the legal services or the Lok Adalat, settle through the PLC case. The main advantage of settling through PLC case is that if at all you did not write any important term while giving the loan, here you can draft it again in the award, which is the final order equivalent to a decree. Sometimes while giving a loan, you may miss some terms and conditions. Here fresh terms can be entered between the parties before the Lok Adalat. That is advantage in filing a PLC case. Hope you understand the difference and the alternative to the legal notice. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, kindly ask in the comment section. I am leaving the format of the pre-litigation case in the description box. Kindly go through it. And for more details, you can visit any Lok Adalat which is available at a mandal level, which is available at a district level, which is available at a high court level, which is available at a Supreme Court level also. Go to that court and ask for Lok Adalat. They will show you the way. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.